Subscribe to my channel Rise of Technology and click on the bell icon to get more updates. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Rise of Technology and I am Rohit. So you are thinking, why is this box here? This is a technological channel and I should be there. My face should be there. So you got an idea. This is an unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video. So for today the product is X Pen Star G640. So I bought it in Amazon. So to make some drawings in Photoshop or anything, any app, so we can make drawings like this. This is the touchpad. So let's go to the specifications. The specifications are active area 6.4 inches, pressure sensitivity 8192 levels, pen, battery free stylus, interface support, USB, resolution 5080 LPI, applicable OS, Windows and Mac. So I bought this for 5,999 in Amazon. So basically it's 6,000. So let's unbox it. I will take a cutter first. So I have cut this. So let's open it. So the first thing we can see is the touchpad. This is a mouse. Let's remove. So we'll keep this aside and see what's inside. No. We'll open this. What we see is the wire, USB cable to connect our PC and the touchpad. So we'll keep this aside, and there are the manuals and the pen. So let's open it. Okay, these are the manuals. This is the manual of downloading the drives manual, and this is the manual of the pen, how to make it work. This is the manual of the tablet. Then this is the just a card for thank you. Okay, thank you. Let's keep this aside. Let's bring the touchpad. Okay, this is very thin. Means very thin. It's very light too. Okay, so we have to connect the USB cable. There is a point here. Okay. And this is the USB to connect the PC or laptop. Okay. So let's remove the pen. the pen. It's awesome. Before that, I want to tell you these are the nibs which are very small and can be lost. So be careful with it. Okay. Then what's here? It's a ring to remove nib from the pen. Okay. So we'll open the cover which is on this. Now we will open the pen. This is very thin pen. You see there are two buttons, and so talking about this pen, this is the battery free and light pen. So this will work like this, and the touchpad is 2 mm thick, you can see, and there is a USB. We can write here. It is used for gameplays, drawing and many more. If you enjoyed this video, smash the subscribe button and give this video a like.
Hey Rohit, this video is only for 6 minutes. Make more, show us more, or else.
Okay. I will make this video for 10 minutes.
मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक
And I will show how to install the driver and how to draw with the touchpad on a laptop. First we have to go to the official site, which is XP Pen, and we have to search the model number of your touchpad and download the driver according to it. Now I have installed the driver, and you can change the functions of your pen and the touchpad. As you can see, I can modify the pen button settings, pen pressure sensitivity and many more. And you can change the touchpad size and the angle of the touchpad, like there are 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degrees. Okay guys, I have opened my Zoom's whiteboard. Let's see how the sensitivity works. I'm writing a text. My name is Rohit. It's easy to write and it feels that you are writing in a paper, normal piece of paper. So now let's draw something. I will draw a simple tree. As you can see, it is very handy and user friendly. Anyone can use this touchpad. I'm gonna end this video right here, and if this video gets 100 plus likes, I'm gonna make next unboxing video which is gonna be super cool. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the subscribe button and please keep supporting me to make good videos and entertain you. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel here and watch a video right here. Okay, enjoy.